we're in car center. How to change car oil here. So they are changing like this, and this guy is very generous, kind. So he's checking other things also, and you see here is the tank. The oil comes from there, and he's checking everything. Brake and something else. Normally they said to me that more than 5,000 kilo is okay to change oil, but I run 7,000 kilo, so it's they said, oh, your oil is so black, so change it. And I came for that because this is gas car, so LPG, so I want to have clean car always, so I'm cleaning oils and everything. There's the back side, you see. This is a Magic car. Normally they don't charge. If you are foreigner, then they don't charge so much money normally, but here I am in Magic car center, which is situated in Sosan Hamimian. It's beside the police station. Here is the main road. You can come here and have your all the things done for your cars. There are lots of servicing they do free. Here you see. He's doing something there. He's checking up the brake and everything. So it's good because when you drive, it's very good to change. And sometimes the language can be a barrier, we think, but normally in the engineering materials, language doesn't make any sense because you need to just say in English, check it, then they will check all the things and things will be done. I hope this Korean workshop or your car, if any kind of problem, without hesitation, just visit the car center and they will do. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.